guy's name? He looks like a...
He's like a Russian mobster.
Extremely
Russian
important boxing type. Oi, serious question for people out there on YouTube. If you, Muhammad Ali in his prime and Mike Tyson in his prime, who wins? Ah! That's not the question I'm asking right now.
Hello again and welcome to the Balkan Bold channel. Today we are in Thailand, Bangkok to be more precise, and I've just arrived to the ancient city. We're gonna have a nice little incursion today into the cultural wonders of Thailand. Join me as once again I try to put a list of the things you can do in one day in Bangkok. Right, the second objective on the list, it's a must-see, is the Royal Grand Palace. The thing is, you have to wear long trousers to get in, which I'm not wearing, and you need to be here by 3 p.m. because it closes. It starts, the visiting hours are 8 p.m. to 3 p.m. Right, we're in the tourist area of the Grand Palace, looking for a place to get something to eat. I haven't eaten all day, and see, maybe go on a boat tour after. Thai food is the ultimate experience for the taste buds. Crab meat, rice with shrimp, soup with fish, mussels, green curry chicken soup, mackerel vegetables, fish, more fish, absolutely delightful. Number 3 on the list, get a tuk-tuk ride.
You pay when you end. Okay. Yeah.
25 baht for a tuk-tuk ride.
Tomorrow we go.
Oh, outside Bangkok?
We go to Phuket.
Oh, you booked the ticket already?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. For the Phuket, go BP.
What?
Pangan.
BP, yes.
BP. It's for the bed.
What else?
It's good.
And what else? Okay.
For the tuk-tuk, Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai?
Yeah, you know?
No.
Oh, you like for the Chiang? Oh, it's very nice. It's a traffic jam.
No for tuk-tuk.
No traffic jam for us.
Tuk-tuk, no traffic.
No jump.
Hello.
How you doing?
Expensive for the Thailand.
The man says he has a Lamborghini exhaust. It is loud though.
Come on, let me talk a bit.
The best driver of tuk-tuk in Bangkok. Good driver. Wow, he's fast. He's fast and dangerous. I'm starting to feel for my life now. Fast and dangerous. Home hotel.
What?
Home hotel. Home.
Where?
I'll show on map.
After.
It's like some sort of dance party.
Stop.
Teatro. check out this Buddha temple now.
come from?
Romania.
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 Romania, yeah.
Romania. Oh, I see. You come together? Huh?
Yeah, together, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Tuk-Tuk drivers brought her here to
Oh.
see the temple.
You know that this one, that the Chinese people die. The Chinese people die. You don't go there.
Ah, Chinese, is that a funeral?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was like a wedding or
Oh,
something.
not wedding.
Oh, Chinese, okay.
Chinese die. Chinese
Ah,
people die. They have
So
music.
that's how they celebrate the death
Yeah,
of,
yeah, celebrate before
okay.
before burn.
Oh, I understand.
Buddhist not like the Muslim put underground, but Buddhist people burn.
I see, okay.
They stay here 3 days. After 3 days later, they burn inside there.
Okay.
Burn inside there.
Okay. So that's a crematorium.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So basically that ritual that we saw earlier is not a wedding or it's actually it's a crematorium ritual for a Chinese person who just died. So they're basically celebrating his life. That's his life celebration now. It's a funeral basically.
I don't mind they sell soup.
And give him free gasoline. Okay. Thank you, boss. Sport, raliu. So basically the man,
aduce oameni acolo la magazin
Yeah.
și le dă benzină.
the man was saying if our driver takes us to that place, which is a fashion store, the tuk-tuk driver gets a voucher for gasoline.
Yeah. I like to shoot. And the faster than bullet.
So how much is this? So like this?
You can or we can. Like
Wow.
this, I get 3.
So that's the price for all three?
Yeah.
52,000.
You buy 3, I get 3 this one, and I get 1 more free.
So 4.
Pro, yeah.
52.000 pentru 4, ar veni 10.000, 12.000 pe un custom? Nu e rău. So basically roughly around 300 euro per suit.
About, yeah. Divide it, 38, divide it 4. Yeah, about 300.
Okay, boss. Is it free shipping?
Free shipping.
Free shipping.
What color?
I don't know, I'll check with my friend. I'm not looking to buy a suit, but okay, yeah, I'll buy it. Stai că mă știu cureaua.
I bought this belt, $20. There's 2 sides. You can use it as black. You can turn it around and it's brown. So you do that. Put it US dollars. Yeah, not bad. Thanks, mate.
Come on, tell me your story. Listen, man, you've got a point, but the fucking big lizards and spiders in Australia makes a difference. I'd rather have the cold than the big fucking spiders. Wow. Huntsman spiders. Fuck that, mate.
Huntsmen are not that big.
Fucking huge like
They're
that.
somewhat big, but they don't hurt you. Huntsmen are nothing.
Cheers, mate. Take care. Let's go. That's an Aussie in Thailand.
Oh, you talking about people here? What's this guy's name? He looks like a...
He's like a Russian mobster.
Extremely
Russian
important boxing type. Oi, serious question for people out there on YouTube. If you possibly can answer this. And I've asked a number of Thai people.
Yeah.
My question, it's a dream fight. Dream fight. Dream fight is Muhammad Ali versus Mike Tyson. Everyone asks that question. Muhammad Ali in his prime
Yeah.
and Mike Tyson in his prime, who wins? That's not the question I'm asking right now. The question I'm asking right now is Sanjay versus Borkow.
That's a question I cannot answer, but maybe I could have
You should
answered.
put it on your face. You should put it on your face because your face is much more interesting than my face. Oh, be good in my horrible, ugly looking face. But yeah, the question that you can answer is what? Borkow, Sanjay.
I don't know, man.
I don't know. about Thai boxing?
No, that's the thing. That's the thing. You see?
You know anything about Western boxing and that?
No,
So
but I'm
everything I'm saying is completely
no,
wasted.
and it's not wasted. The Mike
Do
Tyson.
you know anything about boxing
Mike
and that?
Tyson and Muhammad Ali
You
is not
don't speak
wasted.
any English, do you?
He speaks English, man.
No,
He's-
yeah, you're Russian, Polish man. You're Poland, from Poland. You look from Poland more than Russia. Or Ukraine. Very, very, very big.
Where are you
Thing
from?
on your face.
Australia. You live at the beach? You live at the beach, right?
No, I don't live on the beach. I live out in the bush.
He's a crocodile hunter.
Not up fucking crocodiles and stuff. That's why I'm not.
Watch out.
Look out, look out.
Careful, my car. What do I have on my face?
Okay, number 4 on the list. Get a ticket for 40 baht to see the big Buddha. The biggest statue of Buddha in Bangkok. Wow, that is huge. Ow, just slipped. Oh my god. There's 1, 2, 3 Buddhas. Wow. Flowers smell so lovely. This is definitely the biggest Buddha. It's like 50-60 meters tall, I think. Octopus, pork and yeah. Thank you.
How much time?
Number 5 on the list is a small boat tour on the Pier, right? It costs 1,000 baht per person, but you get a personalized boat which will take you to different tourist attractions across the river. Get a free shower as well. Free shower. You get splashed in the face. Statue of sleeping Buddha. On the river boat tour, you'll get the chance to see the floating market as well, which closes by 6. So if you're here by 6 p.m. you can see the floating market. You have a 30-minute break here. Just realized my lens is a bit dirty. Got splashed on the river. There you go. This is the floating market. It's basically wooden deck built on top of the river. Oh look, that's a big fish. Catfish. Plenty of catfish around. Wow. Ia uite ce de somn. Vezi somn? Ce mari sunt, that's big. Obviously catfish is not on the menu here because the river is filled with catfish.
โอ้โหโอ้ไปหาหลวงโกะร้านขนมปังเร็วเขาซื้อขนมปังมาให้กินเดี๋ยวนี้เธอว่างงานเดียวไง
Interesting color and the flakes, cornflakes. Here comes a right back.
One of those bad boys. You get a dinner cruise. So basically you go on a cruise and they serve you dinner.
Yeah, we have a sort of a problem. The boat captain dropped us off on the other side of the river. We're supposed to be on the other side, and now we don't know how to cross it on the other side. Oh well, since we're here, we're gonna check out that temple, which is really impressive. We caught the last boat, otherwise we would have been stuck there. Oh man, oh, that's the boat party. Oh wow. How much? The ticket lady did us a favor and she didn't charge us for the one-stop trip that we had on the boat. Happy days.
This is true, yes.
Oh.
So how much? 100. Half.
100 cannot, my friend. Same price.
But taxi 100.
Yeah, Thai people.
Taxi is 100. Air conditioning.
Yeah. You taxi 100. You call taxi here. Not now.
We pay for that guy, how much do we pay? 100? 300, let's go.
300.
Nana
okay,
plata.
Oh, this is quality.
So this type of hotel.
Nah.
But you know the place, yes?
Lady boys boss.
Yes. We go to Lady
Take
Boys.
it. Do you know nice beautiful women?
Woman.
Women, not boys, women.
Woman.
Women.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, boom boom, you know, red light district.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Looking free. You buy, no problem. Looking free.
Looking free, yeah?
Yeah.
Great, that's why we want to see. Look, just look.